Welcome to this video on immunotherapy for cancer. Success at last. What is immunotherapy and why is everyone talking about it? This old idea is finally delivering the biggest breakthrough in cancer treatment in the last 30 years. Historically, cancer treatment started with surgery, followed by radiation and chemotherapy. Treatment expanded to include multimodality and adjuvant therapy. Immunotherapy, after early attempts, has finally delivered on its potential. Immunotherapy is defined as using the body's immune system to fight cancer. Note, this definition does not include using antibodies to, quote, turn off parts of the cancer cell. Historically, spontaneous cancer remissions occurred, sometimes after infections. Numerous attempts to stimulate the immune system, using vaccines, interferons, interleukins, and cellular therapy, had minimal success. A better understanding of the immune system led to an alternative approach with significantly improved results. The timeline of immune therapies begins in 1890 with the concept of transferable immunity, using diphtheria toxin in rats to provide immunity in humans. In 1891, William B. Coley observed cancer remissions following infections. He developed Coley's toxins, a mixture of killed bacteria, and saw responses, publishing his work in 1893. Basic immunology research continued. Key milestones include the discovery of blood types in 1901, Paul Ehrlich's Nobel Prize in 1908, and his immune surveillance hypothesis in 1909. The NCI was established in 1930. In 1957, interferon was described, and the Cancer Research Institute of New York was founded. In 1959, the first report of an effective cancer vaccine was published. Coley's toxins were discredited in 1965, though later reinstated. Antibody production became possible in 1975. The first successful use of an antibody against non-Hodgkin's lymphoma in 1982 led to the drug Rituxan. In 1987, CTLA-4 was identified. This year also saw the first patient treated with tumor-infiltrating lymphocytes, or cells. Rituxan, a landmark drug, was approved in 1997. Many similar drugs followed over the next 2 decades. In 2001, PD-1 ligands were discovered. In 2002, the first trials using an antibody against CTLA-4 were published, and the first smart bomb radionuclide-linked monoclonal antibody was approved. By 2010, checkpoint blockade with ipilimumab extended survival in metastatic melanoma. Ipilimumab received FDA approval in 2011. In 2012, an anti-PD-1 antibody, later called nivolumab, showed dramatic results. In 2013, Science magazine named cancer immunotherapy, quote, breakthrough of the year. Nivolumab was FDA approved in 2014. From 2015 to today, the adoption and success of immunotherapy has been a landslide. Cold antibodies represented the first meaningful step. They bind to the cancer cell to make it an immune system target. Rituximab was the first landmark drug in this category. Decades of attempts focused on stepping on the gas of the immune system. The other half of the story was realizing the immune system still had the on. CTLA-4 and PD-1, PD-L1 are the most important brakes we can turn off. Ipilimumab was the first checkpoint inhibitor, followed by a string of PD-1, PD-L1 inhibitors. This slide features an image related to immunotherapy, but has no supporting text for the voiceover. This slide features an image related to immunotherapy, but has no supporting text for the voiceover. Ipilimumab was approved in 2011 for metastatic melanoma. Response rates were less than 20%, but some were dramatic and long-lasting. Side effects can be severe and life-threatening. This slide features an image related to immunotherapy, but has no supporting text for the voiceover. This slide features an image related to immunotherapy, but has no supporting text for the voiceover. The PD-1 inhibitors include nivolumab, pembrolizumab, atezolizumab, durvalumab, and avelumab. Although they target PD-1 or PD-L1, their clinical benefit and side effects are very similar. These drugs are highly important because they offer great benefit in some tumor types that previously lacked useful therapy. They are readily available and often lead to long responses with minimal side effects. Checkpoint inhibitors are effective for various cancers, including melanoma, renal cell carcinoma, lung cancers, and Hodgkin's lymphoma, among others. The most common side effect of immunotherapy is none. Other side effects are often autoimmune, affecting the thyroid, leading to colitis, hepatitis, renal failure, rash, or pneumonitis. Autoimmune side effects are managed similarly to autoimmune diseases. Steroids are the first line of treatment, often requiring a slow taper. Other agents are borrowed from standard autoimmune treatments. The future of cancer immunotherapy is limitless. Thank you for watching this video.